Hi guys, so for today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to do mail merge. So let us first define what mail merge is. So basically, mail merge is a tool that allows users to create personalized documents such as letters and emails, and they can do it in bulk. So what we mean by in bulk is it works by combining a template, which is from MS Word, with the data source with a data source, which is from Excel. So basically, the template contains all the placeholders, or also known as merge fields, that are replaced with information from the data source. So to better explain it, I will show you guys a demo on how to do it. So first of all, you will be needing your templates. So I will be doing it in MS Word. So as you can see here, here is already my accomplished template. So as for me, I will be sending out a sponsor request for sponsorship letter, wherein I will be hypothetically representing the Philippines in the international stage in the International Model United Nations, and of course to do that I will need financing or funds. So this is all basic template. This is a very basic template. I mean, so what you will just be needing is who will be sending it, to who you will be sending it, and of course the very content of the letter or why you are sending it. So to order to start the mail merge, you have to press of course start mail merge, and of course have to choose what you will be sending. So for me, I will be sending a letter, so I'll click letter. And then, of course, I have to select my recipient. So for me, I took it the easy route and already created an Excel sheet wherein all the information of my supposed recipients, or my wanted recipients, are already in here. So as you can see, it includes the name of the recipient and their email address. I really highly encourage for others to do this as well, because for me, this is the easiest way to do it. So now that you have your Excel sheet, you will just have to merge it here. So what you will do is select recipients. Here's what I mean. You can create as fresh right here, right in the Word document. But for me, it's easier if you just do it in Excel. So I will press use an existing list. I will look for the Excel file, which is here. I will click on it. I will open it. I mean, I will open it, and as you can see, there is a checkbox there asking me if the first row of data contains the column headers. So for me, it does contain the column headers, as you can see here, name and email. So I will be leaving the box checked. So I will press OK. And of course, I have to add who my recipients will be. So I will insert merge field. I will add name, which will be this will be the first recipient, and I will, as you can see, you can still um, customize it. So I'll be adding a bold font, and as for the email address of the recipient, I will also be adding it here. So I'll go back to mailing, and I will press insert merge field again and email address. Okay, so as you can see the preview here. You can see this is the non-previewed version. So I will be adding italicized to for it to stand out. Okay, so as you can see, here is the generic view, and here is the preview version. So as you can see, it all looks okay now. So I can now click through it all to see if it's okay to my and if it's to my liking. And now of course it is to my liking. So I will be pressing finish and merge. As you can see, it gives you the option to edit individual documents, print out documents, and of course send email messages. So for me, I will be just sending an e-copy or an email. So I'll be pressing email, and here is my preferred um, customization. As for my subject line, I will be showing, of course, since it is a formal letter, I will keep the formality and state that it's a letter for sponsorship, specifically for IMUN. So for the recipient side, you can either put it as the name or as something else. But it auto since it is for an email, it auto detects that it should be sent to an email address. So as for the mail format, you can still choose many versions. For me, I would like it to have a certain attachment to keep the formality. And if you're all okay na, you can send it. So I will be pressing OK. So this will be my profile name, and this is the email that I'll be using for Outlook. See, is everything okay? Okay. So I will allow access for 10 minutes, and I will click through the allow button. So I will be back once I am done clicking through everything. Okay, so I am back and I have clicked through everything. So let us see the final product. Um, where is my Outlook? Okay, here. So as you can see, only one has been sent. So this is probably due to my internet or some slowness of my Outlook, but here is what it's supposed to look like. So as you can see, I didn't name my document, so it has been named document 1 instead. And if when you click the document, it's supposed to look like this. So that is all, and I hope you learned many things or learned at least a few things regarding mail merge.